Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be popping stuff out of the mold that I made Saturday. If you guys missed my Saturday live, it was this past Saturday. You can go check it out and see how we made all this stuff. This is actually a clock. You can kind of see the numbers. And some outlet switch covers and light switch cover because I was redoing my bathroom, and you guys, the pictures are already hung up, so I showed everybody Saturday how the pictures looked and the colors, and I think these colors go great with it. So it's a shorter video today because I made all this stuff Saturday when I was live, so go check that out. I need the watch hours. Go hit the thumbs up. And to let you guys know, I only have 19 sets left out of 40 of the you get 2 epoxy coins and a palm tree magnet for a $25 channel donation. I have Cash App. You can find all that information in the description. Alright, so let's go. Let's do this outlet covers first. Plus, I poured a little epoxy in this thing that Rosebud gave me because it actually works really good as a coin holder. I don't know how well you guys can see. So, like, if you had coins, you could stick them in there like that. But I don't know. I didn't want to fill the whole thing and waste epoxy. I want to pour a little bit in and see how it's going to go. So we're going to see if we can get that out. But let's go with the light switch and outlet covers first. So I did these Saturday, so they've had plenty of time to sit. But now they're out of the mold. They have to sit some more. Dude, that freaking turned out badass. I know there's a glare from the window, but the epoxy is just so shiny. So there's the back side. It comes with a little screw hole. Dude, that thing turned out freaking amazing. Look at that. It's going to look really good in the bathroom. And then I have the light switch cover too, because it's a double light switch cover. And I'll bring you guys over here in the light so you can still bend it, so it still needs to set. So there's the light switch cover. Stuff like that. That is really cool looking. Let me get y'all over here in the light so y'all going to get a little dizzy for a second so I can kind of show you better in the light. But this is what it looks like. I think that's really cool. I did the teal, gunmetal gray, a little white with a little bit of fine white glitter. If you remember, I did some shells a couple weeks back with these same colors, but I used chunky glitter. I had a request from my husband not to use chunky glitter or glitter at all. So let's go. So we got those. Those turned out pretty badass. They've got to sit. So let me move them over there with this. Alright, this clock, this thing is heavy. I did pour backing on it, and I did go with the teal backing because I just felt like it was just a little better. These things are in my way over here. So let's pop this out. Remember, I did the numbers first if you were in that live stream. I poured the numbers first. They sat for maybe, what, like 20 minutes? Maybe, if that. And then I poured the gray, just like the outlet covers, I poured the same stuff. Now, I got this mold from Rosebud and Cat. Ooh, I think it's pretty. Oh, I think it's pretty. The numbers, I mean, I was being impatient. Let's just say that. But oh my gosh, y'all, look at this clock. Look at this clock. You can see the numbers. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at it. It's so pretty. I'm trying to get it where there's no glare from the window. Yes, it almost looks like outer space a little bit, but it literally is going to match all the stuff I've been redoing my bathroom with. Dude. This thing turned out badass. I might have to do a short once I get it figured out how to get, so it came with the motor and the hands and all that stuff, which is cool. Battery's not included. So I'm assuming you push that through there, like so, right? Yeah. And then you put your hands and stuff on there. Oh, but I gotta figure out all that. So here's the hands and stuff too. I don't know how to put all this on, but we're going to figure it out. They didn't give you any instructions with any of this. They just gave you a bunch of parts. I might have to look it up and then put it together, but I'll definitely do a short of it because I think it turned out absolutely amazing out. Really? Can I get this last piece out? Oh, it's like a rubber washer. So it comes with everything, the second hand, the mini hand, and all that, and then you just put a battery in here and it's a clock. But yeah, dude, that freaking turned out badass. I do have to sand the back a little bit, but that is so cool. And I think it goes great with the outlet covers. So that's what we're doing. That's what I did for the bathroom. Alright, so that's got to set. So here's the thing. So like I said, these plastic things she gave me, I didn't want to fill it full of epoxy because I didn't want to waste it. I want to see if I can get this to pop out. I don't think I can. No. Unfortunately, it really sucks because it would have been a great idea. I'm not going to be able to get this to pop out. That's the shitty part. Because this is a perfect mold for like making coin holder tray, if that makes sense. But this shit doesn't, it won't come apart. It has adhered to the plastic. So that won't work, but thank you so much, Rosebud, for that. It was worth a shot. Don't forget, you guys, I only have 19 sets left of the set of coins. It was the 2 coins with palm tree magnet for $25 channel donation. That's what we have left. The video is shorter today because I made all this stuff Saturday during my live stream, so go back and check it out. The clock is awesome. Once I figure out the motor and the hands and all that, I will definitely be doing a short of it because it is absolutely beautiful. Ooh, that's party. So let's go, y'all. So if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. It does not cost a thing. Go back, run my playlist, check out all the other stuff. And if you're interested in getting anything made, I don't know about the clocks yet because it takes a lot of epoxy and the shipping. So you got to give me time. I'm still trying to figure out the price for the mushroom. But that's all we got today. Like I said, it's a shorter video, but thank you everybody who came to my Saturday night live. Or not night, Saturday afternoon live. I appreciate it. So until next time, y'all know what to do, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.